Gary's Corner once more. Just a short little video really, this one. Just thought I'd do an unboxing with you, and we're going to unbox a NAS drive, which is the Synology DS220 Plus. I haven't got a great amount of experience with them. This is a real sort of first time thing. I've had a few of you ask me about the computer you've got glimpses of and what's in it, and I will do a video on that. But this is just basically an unboxing video, and I might even do a complete novice setup, you know, trying to show how hard it is for the novice, which, you know, I've got a fair amount of computer idea, but I've never done anything like this before, so we'll see how easy or how hard it is. Everyone says it's easy, so we'll find out. But anyway, we'll carry on with the unboxing. This is the DS220 Plus, as I say. Standard sort of, you know, cardboard box, nothing to write home about. Little handle. And we'll open it up. Now I've also got two Iron Wolf, Seagate Iron Wolf drives to go in it. So we'll see how they prevail. Hold on, it goes, lays down like this. And we've got the unit itself, which comes in a nice little bag with a Synology sticker on it. And then let's get this horrible bag off. We've got this tiny little box that costs quite a bit of money. Just peel this off. Turn that off first. It's well protected. We'll give it that. We don't want that off. We'll leave the front panel off, and oh no, we won't. Let you have a look. Let you have a look how it should be. Right. Well, there you go. The Synology D220 Plus. I like the fact that it's small. I don't need loads. I mean, the idea behind this really is just to put a few films on, my photo collection, and maybe some music. Got no real need of one, but my main computer has 8 terabyte of storage, but yeah, it's all a bit of extra, and it's a bit of backup. So anyway, you get the box. We've got it's plastic, but you've got vents through the sides, on both sides. You've got I don't know, about a 95mm fan. You've got twin 1 gig ports, and you can apparently plug them both in, so you get and then you link them and you'll get a 2 meg. So we'll give that a try later on. And just a standard little plug-in brick. On the front you've got the status, the LANs and the discs, which will light up when they're all functioning properly. You've got a USB with a copy button, which is useful, I suppose, for backing up stuff. And you've also got a USB in the back. So a bit stingy on the USBs. I think they could probably put another couple in the back without too much more expense, but there you go. So that's the Synology, and also we get, hopefully, one mains power lead, which I'll take out because we're going to need it. One, obviously, you know, whatever power lead you, whatever country you're in, you'll get the suitable power adapter. But over here in the UK, that's the one we're using. It's a bit what we call a kettle lead. You also get a quick installation guide. And you get your power brick, which is a Synology brand. What power is it? What power is it? I can't even see it. It's all in Chinese. Oh, there we go. 12 volt, 5 amp, 60 watt. So pretty standard sort of thing. Easy to replace, which is an advantage. And then we've got one RJ45, two RJ45s, and these screws, which I believe are, if you're going to use 2.5 inch SATA drives, but in this case we won't be using them. So basically that's it, that's what you get. So we'll have a bit of fun with it, and we'll go from there. But until then, take care, stay safe, and speak to you soon. Bye now.